Hello, my name is Ferdi Wahyu Ramadan. I'm 18 years old. I come from Tembilahan, Kabupaten Indragiri Hilir, Provinsi Riau. I'm now studying at Padang State University, majoring in management. I come from senior high school number 1 Tembilan Hulu. My hobbies are playing futsal, playing game online, and watch YouTube. Now that's a little introduction from me. I want to tell you about my personality. I feel myself as a person who is very easy to make friends and easy to get along with new people. And I'm also someone who can be said to be friendly to everyone because I think if I kind to other, then other people will also be kind to me. I'm a very calculating person for everything. For example, if I want to do an excitement, I will determine the horse to work on it and the estimate time at which I'll finish. That's all I have determined before working on it. Sometimes I can be a little lazy and the end my working time get busy. I want to tell you about my past experience. When I was still in high school, I was one of the students who could be said to be quite active both in class and outside classroom. If in class, I really like to discussion, debates, and presentation. And outside classroom, I really like to organize, start from PASUS and student council. In student council, I was in a state defense department, and in PASUS, I was instead field coordinator. Although activities that I participate in make it almost impossible for me to be at home, especially when there are events in the student council. There are usually preparation for the Eid Adha and Idul Fitri, parade activities in PASUS. There are usually LBB competition and there are special tradition. So that's was a little story about my past experience in senior high school. So I want to tell you about my daily activity. Start from morning. I usually wake up depending on the schedule class. If there is schedule at 7 o'clock, I have tried to wake up before 7 o'clock. If there is no morning class, I will wake up at 10 o'clock. And then after I wake up, usually I just play my phone to for the while waiting midday prayer. Just when I want to enter, when I get ready to go to mosque. And then after coming home, I usually eat and then open a learning to check it today's assignment. Then after entering Asar, I go to mosque and then I use it exercise a little. And then entering evening time, I go to back to mosque. And then after coming home, I usually eat and then work on the segment until 10 o'clock. And then after that, I just play game online. And then after that, after I playing game online, I go to sleep. That is a little my daily activity. So I want to tell you about my future goals. I someone doesn't have a big dream such as wanting to study in the best campus in Indonesia, have well become a very influential in a country. And then I have very simple desire. After I graduate in the college, I want to work on the company to raise much money as possible. And 13 years old, I will start a business in the culinary and transportation sector, and then have a happy and harmonious family, and then see my parents enjoy his old age. That's all from me to start and introducing myself, telling personality, telling past experience, telling daily activity, and then uh, telling about my future goals. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.